All right, hello again, YouTube. I'm Duke. Welcome to my channel where I bring value to you by talking about things that have helped me out in my life, physically, spiritually, mentally, financially, and everything else. And today I want to talk about something that's in the financial realm, and that is how to make money shopping at Costco. If it sounds too good to be true, it's not. Anybody can do it, granted that they have decent credit. And yeah, let's just get down to it. So, can we agree that every adult has a baseline of expenses? Shelter, food, you know what I mean? Like the necessary expenses to live on a month-to-month basis. And I'm not talking about going out, fancy steak dinners, wine, all that stuff. I'm talking about, the minimum amount that you would need to spend to live, basically. So, the whole concept here is to take that food budget and spend as much of it as you can at Costco. And the reason you want to do that is because of this. The regular Costco membership is $60. You pay $60 a year, you get access to the club. And they're great prices. I love Costco, in case you couldn't tell. Well, I'm not sponsored by them in any way. This is completely informational. The executive membership, which is one step above that, is $120 per year. But the perk with that is you get 2% cash back on everything in the store. If you also get the Costco card by city, you get an additional 2% back on everything in the store and 4% back on gas. So, as an example, my minimum budget for food, I spend $400 on groceries every month. I have a strict diet. I spend $400 on groceries every month. 400 times 12 is $4,800 per year. Well, if we take 4% of that, that is $192 of cash back. And it cost us $120 for our membership. So we're actually getting paid $72 in a year to buy things that we're going to buy anyway, to buy the things that we need. And when you're going to buy things that you need, you're not really risking any money, right? It's what you're going to buy anyway. So in this sense, you are making money. Like it's not like, oh, but I have to spend $4,800. Well, how much are you spending on food anyways? In fact, I calculated it. The minimum amount you would have to spend to break even on the membership to get $120 back is $250 per month. So I recommend that everybody do this. And it's something I do. When I lived in a house with roommates, people would want to buy stuff and they'd pay me back. Well, great. I'm earning cash back on money I didn't spend. If I put it on my credit card, they pay me cash. Well, I'm earning money on, something they reimburse me on. So even better, if you live in a household, if you're in college and you're in a frat house or something, you have a bunch of roommates, well, get a Costco membership and get the card and do this, and I promise you that you will, this will benefit you financially, because what if you took $72 per year, assuming you spend like I do, you took $72 per year and you invested it? Well, after a lot of years, that would be, you'd have a lot of money. And again, the way I think about it, it's basically free money. You're not paying taxes on it or anything like that. And the money on the food is money you would spend otherwise. So why not make money to spend the money you're already going to spend? So this is something that, this is the way I think. There's lots of stuff like this out there. And this is something that I recommend that everybody do because it's easy and it involves no risk. Obviously, you want to pay the credit card off each month. Pay the entire amount that you spent on the credit card each month, because otherwise you'll end up paying interest. And if you pay interest on it, that's more than the money you would have made, then it defeats the purpose. So make sure you pay off the credit card each month. And if you do that and you spend a minimum threshold of $250, you'll basically be able to shop at Costco for free. So anyways, if you like content like this, then throw a like, throw a subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I make a new video, because honestly, I was going to make a video once per week, but the response to my first video was so overwhelmingly positive that I have just been itching to make another one, and here I am. So yeah, I want to add value to you guys. I want to give these kind of hacks that help me out in my life and bring value to you. So let's connect. Leave a comment, leave me your feedback, connect with me, and let's talk. I'd love to get to know you guys. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time.